So within these 11 required subjects, math is one of those required subjects. Can you tell me a little bit about how you incorporate that into your homeschool life?
Math, like reading, I think are the two subjects that most terrify homeschool parents, especially at the beginning. There's, of course, a lot of curriculum available that you can go out and you can pick and choose. We have from time to time used different curricula as it suited us. Oftentimes we've kind of said, well, what is it that our daughter needs? And we've then developed things for her to do. So for example, when she was younger, I refused to do math for her. So if we went to a store and she wanted to buy something, then I would say, well, how much money do you have? And you're going to need to figure out some tax as well. And this, of course, required us to take longer at the store. Before we went to the register, she had to determine if she actually had enough money to buy what she wanted. But we did a lot of that. And some hands-on things when she wanted to learn how to multiply. I thought, well, how can I get her to understand what the multiplication means, not simply committing it to memory? And so I went into the kitchen and I took a bunch of ramekins, and I gave her a sack of stones, and I explained multiplication being the number of stones for the number of ramekins and how that worked. And I printed out a sheet that had the multiplication table up through tens. I handed these off to her, and then at that point, I think I wandered off to take a shower. And I was surprised and delighted when I came out of the shower to hear her up in the kitchen rummaging through the pantry because she had exhausted the 5 ramekins I had given her and was in need of more in order to continue going through and playing around with this idea of multiplication, which was new to her.